You guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some more. Yes. First responders coastal heat. And again, we are an engine because, like I said in last coastal heat video, I really like the engine. So we are an engine again. And we are with the NYC FD Fire Department New York. And yeah. So, hope you enjoy. Right now we're just waiting for a call because we just got one and then we just got back, so. Got a ton of staff in my server. We used to have like 4 or 5 or something, I don't even know, it was crazy. EMS oh, that's the only EMS guy, so that guy should be responding to that. You need to respond to that, sir. Hope we get some calls because last time, in the last video, we didn't get that much calls, but hoping we could get a lot this time. Do we have any raids or units at the fire? Is the fire over there done? Yeah, it just ended. Okay. They should really add more buildings that you can go inside of. I would find that really cool. Man. Stupid people, man. They're on their way back. And they crash. Happens every. Is that a police officer? Cool. Kinda, I guess. So red. Unless that's a. That might be the colored police officer. Yeah, I think it is. Possible. There's an EMS call right now. There's 2. Kid. Wait a minute. I could be saving time right now. Does my engine fit at the back of his tiller? I'm not saving time, saving space. It honestly might. Hold up. Barely. Maybe. Just a little bit more. Just. Let's see what it looks like from his perspective. From here. Does he have space to scoot up? Not really. Bro. Yeah, okay. My plan didn't work. Never mind. My yard left me. Bro, what happened to our rescue and our 2 ladders? We have a tiller, but we had 2 ladders. Great. Hit him with a 360. Crazy. Okay. I got the goalie in my bliss. Come on. Oh, it's never us. Actually, I'm gonna respond just because that is a big fire. officer. Yeah, they definitely responded to that. They should have, at least. Oh no! I almost just crashed. Oh, holy Lord. Shoot, bro. I'm doing like the worst driving skills right now. They have 3 people. Some help over here. Dappy dappy. Put on the helmet. Bro, how did the airport people? I hate when that happens. We get a fire nowhere near the airport, but the airport still shows up. It's like, why? Can't go into these? No? There's just good fire. Bruh. This makes no sense. Did we get it? Hope so. Boom, just like that. Do I have flat tires or something? Okay, that fire's done. Pace a kike. Right, guys. Got a hold on me. Dude, seriously though, like, what happened? Yeah, everything's fine. That's what I thought. Right, even got that Christmas fire truck up in here. I mean, like, brother. I think half of the team for firefighters is investigation officers. That's just sad. Bro, people do not know how to drive. It's my right of way, sir. Thank you. Ooh, I love this game so much. Jeez, dude, I was scratching my nose. You gotta do me like that. Have I taken any damage with the vehicle? No. Okay. Just making sure. Oh yeah. Good beats all days. Make this light. I told you I was gonna make the light. What did I say, kiddo? Oh my gosh, a parla Madonna Marlana. Feel like Tina Cara. Got another call. Apartment fire or store fire? Store, I think. Last time I checked. Yep. And then this one is also an inside fire. How is there a fire on the fire hydrant? That is weird. Sure got a hold on me. Oh, nasty. And let's get hosing. Done. Come on, fire. You can do it. Come on, fire. Put out yourself. Sometimes you have to spray the fire so much that it literally wouldn't, like that's how much you gotta spray it. Like, the fire is not even that big. You gotta spray it like times 100. So weird. One window for all of that fire? Really? Dude, these fires take me so long. Like, that's what content is for. Wait, no. That's what makes content, right? I think. But if I need to put on his gear, this is intoxicating pollution. I don't even know what I just said. This is intoxicating the air, and it is polluting the air, which will make intoxication in the air. Excuse me. Imagine in like a middle of fire, like you're inside of the building, in the middle of fire, and then you just randomly huge burp. How dumb does that sound? Sure, I couldn't get the person, my body exploded because I burped. Sure got a hold on me. Alright, now we're gonna head back to station 20. Oh yeah. We're going to trip. Get in, kid. But this guy belongs at station 19. He's riding my truck, whatever. Who cares, am I right? Maybe like everybody. Hey! It's that guy police, cause he almost ran a red light. That is disrespectful. Vehicle damaged? I didn't touch a single thing. What the flip? Okay. Well, I guess I'll end it there, guys. Hope you had a wonderful day and a wonderful time watching this and every other one of my videos. So, see you in the next one. Peace.